Hello student, good morning. In previous video we have seen Bipin Babu. Okay, he ringed to Dinesh Mukherjee. Okay, and he asked about his Ranchi tour. Dear student, we are seeing which lesson? Lesson number 5, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Okay, today we will see part number 3, page number 52. So previous video we have seen he ringed to Dinesh Mukherjee and he was asking about his Ranchi tour. So he also told him he was present there. So that time means he confused, he becomes so confused and he didn't realize, didn't we can say recall, and he was just ready, he was in Ranchi. Okay, after lunch time, Bipin Babu realized that he couldn't possibly carry on sitting at his desk and working. So, after lunch time, means that day, he didn't take a lunch also. He had lost his appetite, he had lost his hunger. So, after lunch time, lunch time हो गया, and Bipin Babu realized that he couldn't possibly carry on sitting at his desk and working. Means, इसके पहले, he thought that I never do such type of things. Just carry on sitting on his desk and working. This had never happened in 25 years. He had been with the firms. मतलब इसके पहले 25 years हो गए कि इसके पहले ऐसा मेरे साथ कभी नहीं होगा. I am working here from 25 years. And he thought that I am responsible worker. And I know everything. But why I didn't know about the Ranchi trip. He had reputation for being a tireless, conscientious worker, and he said that Bipin Babu said that means he had a reputation. Everyone was giving me respect. I had a reputation for being tireless, कॉन्शियस वर्कर, ईमानदार, टायरलेस वर्कर, ऐसी मेरी क्या थी एक रेपुटेशन थी ऑफिस में. बट टुडे व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन विथ मी, दैट पर्सन इज सेइंग, मीन्स परिमल घोष इज सेइंग यू वाज इन रांची in 1958 and that incident I am not, you can say, recalling what is going with me. So but today his head was in vril. So today he was in confused mind. His head was in vril, means चक्कर आ रहा है, उसके सर को चक्कर आ रहा है कि ये से क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ में, कुछ बातें मुझे याद नहीं आ रही है. Back home at 2:30 Bipin Babu lay down in bed and tired to gather his wits together, and he come back from his office when 2:30 को वो घर वापस आ गए. एंड ही ले डाउन इन बेड और वो बिस्तर पे सो गए. एंड ही गैदर हिज वीड्स टुगेदर, इसको वीड्स वो कुछ सोच रहे थे कि क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ, क्या हो रहा है, ये सब बातें वो सोच रहे थे. He knew that it was possible to lose one's memory through an injury in a head, but he didn't know of a single instant of some remembering everything except one particular incident. He thought that ऐसा हो सकता है, it was possible to lose one's memory, कि अगर किसी के सर को अगर कुछ इंजरी हो गई है तो कुछ इंसिडेंट वो भूल सकता है. But he didn't know of a single instant of someone remembering everything except one particular incident, and firmly recent and significant ones that. And he thought that means एक unknown person is unfamiliar person is saying about my secret, about my, you can say, incident, and I didn't know. एक दूसरा आदमी मेरे बारे में सब कुछ बता रहा है और मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है. मतलब जो सीक्रेट बातें हैं, his wife death, his brother insanity, about his books, all these things Parimal Ghosh knows very well, and I didn't know what is going with me. So he was thinking, laying on the bed. He had always wanted to go Ranchi. वो कहते थे कि he had always go to रांची, मैं रांची जाना चाहता था, ओके, to have gone there, done things and not to remember was something utterly impossible. अगर मैं वहाँ पे जाना चाहता था लेकिन मैं वहाँ पे गया नहीं, और ये जो बातें बता रहा है कि उनका दोस्त, ये सब बातें सच कैसी हो सकती है, ओके, एंड रिमेंबर वॉज समथिंग अटरली इम्पॉसिबल, और मुझे कुछ भी पता नहीं रहेगा कि मैं वहाँ पे गया, ओके, जो कुछ भी मेरे साथ हुआ वो सब बातें उस परिमल घोष को, कि ही नोज वेरी वेल अबाउट हिज सीक्रेट, अबाउट हिज इंसिडेंट, ओके, व्हाट हैपेंड विथ हिम इन रांची, एंड ही डिडंट नो, ओके, सो ही वाज सो कंफ्यूज इन माइंड दैट डे. At 7:30, okay, he come back from office to 2:30, okay, and he lay on his bed, okay, and he thinking about his witness, about his memory. At 7:30 Bipin Babu's servant came. 7:30 को Bipin Babu's servant came to call Babu's. Chunni Babu sir says it's very important. Mean Chunni Babu. Chunni, okay, Chunni is the name of one person, okay, he came to see बिपिन बाबू, ओके, उनको मिलने के लिए एक चुन्नी नाम का एक आदमी आया, एंड द सर्वेंट ऑफ बिपिन बाबू, ओके, केम हियर एंड ही कॉल टू बिपिन बाबू. ही सेड चुन्नी बाबू सेज इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, और उन्होंने क्या बोला, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, कॉल टू योर ओनर. बिपिन बाबू न्यू व्हाट्स चुन्नी हैड कम फॉर. बिपिन बाबू न्यू व्हाट चुन्नी हैड कम फॉर. चुन्नी आ गया है. चुन्नीलाल हैड been at school with him. He said that Chunnilal was both, okay, Chunnilal and Bipin Babu के they you can say learned, okay, in same school, okay, उसके साथ में पढ़े थे, okay. He had been having a rough time lately and had been coming to see him about a job. और उसको ऐसा लगा he had been a rough time मतलब उसके ऊपर क्या कैसे क्या होगा, बुरे दिन आए होंगे. दैट्स वाई, एंड ही हैड बीन कमिंग टू सी हिम अबाउट अ जॉब, एंड चुन्नीलाल आई थिंक ही केम फॉर इन सर्चिंग ऑफ द जॉब. दैट्स वाई ही केम हियर टू मीट मी फॉर द जॉब. सच टाइप ऑफ ओके थॉट्स केम इन द माइंड ऑफ बिपिन बाबू. डू यू अंडरस्टूड. उन्हें लगा कि जो चुन्नीलाल है वो दोनों भी साथ में पढ़े हैं, और वो किस लिए आया होगा, ही हैड अ रफ टाइम मीन्स पुअर कंडीशन, बैड कंडीशन होगी, एंड ही हैड बीन कमिंग टू सी हिम अबाउट जॉब. बिपिन बाबू न्यू इट वाज नॉट पॉसिबल टू डू एनीथिंग फॉर हिम, एंड अपने मन में वो सोचने लगा इट वाज नॉट पॉसिबल टू डू एनीथिंग फॉर हिम, कि अभी मेरे पास कुछ भी टाइम नहीं है उसके लिए, कुछ अच्छा करने के लिए, उसके लिए जॉब ढूंढने के लिए, ओके, नाउ आई हैव नो टाइम, ओके, इट वाज नॉट पॉसिबल टू डू एनीथिंग फॉर हिम, एंड इन फैक्ट टोल्ड हिम सो, बट चुन्नी केप्ट टर्निंग अप लाइक अ बैड पिन, मीन्स he did not want to see him, he did not want to meet Chunnilal, okay, such type of thinking came in mind, okay, he came here, I thought he came here for the job, in the search of the job. Now I have no job, which means I am not ready to help him because I am in depressions, I have been confused mind. So but Chunni kept turning up like a bad company, and Chunni was standing there without any welcome, okay. In this way, dear student, okay, today's video we have seen about the, you can say, half portion of part 3rd, okay. Next video we will see next portion of this lesson. Thank you.